Unlocking the mystery. The meaning of alley-oop in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a really exciting topic to discuss, the phrase alley-oop. You might have heard it in various contexts, especially related to sports, but today, we're going to dive deep into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. So, let's get started. Alley-oop is a phrase that you might hear most often in basketball. It refers to a play where one player throws the ball near the basket, and another player jumps, catches the ball in midair, and scores in a single motion. It's a really impressive and exciting play to watch. But alley-oop isn't just used in basketball. It can also refer to any coordinated effort between people where timing and teamwork are crucial. Imagine a scenario where two people are moving a heavy piece of furniture, and they need to lift it over a hurdle at the same time. They might use an alley-oop to describe that coordinated lift. The phrase alley-oop has a fascinating origin. It actually comes from the French phrase allez, hop, which is an expression used to encourage someone, like saying, go on, jump, or here we go. In basketball, it was first used by a player named Tuffy Leemans in the 1930s. He would shout, alley-oop, to his teammate as a signal to get ready for that impressive, acrobatic shot. Now that we know what alley-oop means and where it comes from, let's talk about how you can use it in a sentence. In a sports context, did you see that amazing alley-oop during the basketball game last night? It was incredible. In everyday conversation, we need to do an alley-oop to get this couch through the door. On 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, alley-oop can be used both in sports and in daily life to describe a moment that requires teamwork, coordination, and timing. And that's a wrap on alley-oop. I hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning English is all about practice, so try using alley-oop in a sentence today. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.